Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will explore the Paid Memberships Pro plugin. A membership site is an online platform where users can access exclusive content, product, or services by becoming a partner. Membership sites can offer various benefits such as community engagement, premium content, and recurring revenue for sites. Paid Memberships Pro empowers you to create and manage these sites. This is a dashboard from the Paid Memberships Pro WordPress plugin. The first section is Initial Setup, which include the options for creating a membership levels, managing membership page, configuring payment settings, and managing user fields. And then we have other settings, which include options for confirming email settings, customizing email templates, viewing design settings, viewing advanced settings, and exploring add-ons. When we scroll down, we have Sales and Revenue, which displays the number of sales and revenue generated from the membership. Sites. Then we have Recent Members, which displays the most recent members who have joined the membership sites. The Membership Stats display the number of signups and cancellations for the membership sites. And the Visits, Views, and Logins section display the number of visit views and logins to the membership site. And we have a Members section. Member List page provides an overview of all members in your membership site. We can view members by various levels and sort it by username, subscription details, and members duration. It also offers filters like canceled, expired, or old members, and the option to export the list to a CSV file for data management. So, in the Orders section, we can manage payment and transaction for memberships. It allows you to track details such as user level, total amount, billing gateway, transaction ID, and status of order. We can add a new order by clicking on this button and also export to the CSV file. Then we have a Reports section. It provides an overview of key metrics such as membership stats, sales and revenue, and site activity. We can track sign-ups, cancellations, revenue, and member activity levels. Additionally, it provides insight on visit, views, and logins, making it easier to monitor site traffic and engagement. Then we have a Settings tab. In this section, we can create a membership level by clicking on this Create a Membership button, handle payments gateway with the features like reports, discount codes, email settings, and security configuration. Paid Memberships Pro offers a robust solution for building and managing a membership-based business. And that was the introduction to Paid Memberships Pro. Subscribe to follow more videos in this series.